Hi, my name is Nikhil. I'm a physician working in South Odisha. Uh, I took this course to learn more about rheumatology, and rheumatology is a big unmet need in our area. So, um, I was looking for options where I could study while I'm working without having to stop working. So, this was an option that came up, and that's the reason why I took the course. It has helped me understand rheumatological diseases better. Actually, it has made me, my concept about rheumatological illness was that it is a group of diseases which is limited by high cost of treatment and high cost of investigation. This course has taught me that it need not be so. With good clinical history and examination, we can treat it in a reasonable way with available drugs and investigation. Yes, I would definitely recommend this course to others, especially those who are practicing and it's difficult to take time out, or people who are at a stage in their practice where they cannot take off 2 to 3 years to formally train in rheumatology. This will definitely help them to improve in the care that they're delivering at present.